What up, what up, what up? Hello. It's Nkonye, aka NdiNaija. Yo, I'm going to show you my misadventures in meal planning. I think that's what I'm going to call the title of this video. No, not misadventures in meal planning. Misadventures in meal prepping. This is a bonus video this week. And, well, I made something new. I like to experiment with recipes and food because why not? I mean, we have all these spices in the world. It's important to try them, right? Put them in something. So I made an egg bake and I put zucchini, green zucchini, yellow squash, some red onion, mushrooms, and topped it off with radishes. The reason I'll call it misadventures in meal planning is because there were a couple of mistakes. Mistakes were made, not by me. Mistakes were made. Anywho, y'all are going to see that in a couple of seconds. Stuff is right over there. I'll show you a little bit of what I did. I don't remember how many eggs. So this is the problem with what Nigerians used to call catering practical. Where you're just trying out new recipes and such. It tastes great. However, I'll let y'all be the judge of how it looks. All right, so stay tuned. Hey guys, messy kitchen here because I'm trying to do a lot. I'm trying to do some meal planning, yo. No, actually, I'm trying to make an egg bake. I've made this a lot. It's just a bunch of veggies and spices thrown together. Mushrooms are going to be in it also. And what you can see, I'm not sure you can see clearly, but I have green zucchini, yellow squash, and red onion. Some of that red onion. And I put some egg in this. Ouch, it's hot. I forget the size of this, but you put some egg in, put it in the oven, just for the bottom to harden up a bit. And then you put this, and then you add that, and then for me, mushrooms are going to be my topping. Oh, I also have radishes. Some sliced radishes, which I think will be on top of the mushroom. This is just a hodgepodge. I'm trying it, meal planning. This is what I used to do before I had kids. Well, the kid. And now we're back. Let's see how it turns out. I have all the veggies in, and we have some juice left, and I think I will use this to make stock or something, because if I put it in there, we might have some problems. These are my mushrooms. Just going to layer them on. And if I had thought about this properly, maybe I should have made some more. I'm putting mushrooms because this is the season when it's cold. There's not as much sun, even though that hasn't really been our experience in Texas. But mushrooms have a lot of vitamin D. I personally need a whole lot of vitamin D when there's not as much sun out. So this is how I'm trying to prepare for it. This is one of the ways I'm trying to prepare for it. You can't just always do supplements and such like. So yeah, that's it. And I don't eat cheese, so if you're a cheese person, you would probably put some nice cheese on this to melt. I'm not a cheese person. My eggs are my firmer, my base, my everything, really. So we're going to soak this in. I think I have a good covered layer right now. And then I'm going to soak this in with the eggs, which I have seasoned with a bunch of things. Curry. Oh, I forgot to add that I put some blended ginger and garlic in here in the zucchini and squash. So I don't know how many eggs are in here, but underneath there were maybe 3. And I'm just going to pour it on and have it soak in The eggs would be my binding agent, and filler and protein. The veggies are fiber, vitamins, and so on and so forth. If this is not enough, I'll just put some more eggs in it. I have my oven right now set to 375. Okay. Alright, let's see. So this is covered. I think I'm just going to go ahead and add the radishes. I don't think I'm going to add any more eggs. I have a few eggs left. 4 eggs left. I think I'll just go ahead and add the radishes. The rest of the mushrooms I'll use them some other time. And I'm just using the radishes just to add some color to it without overly, being overly... the words aren't coming. My brain is my brain is occupied trying to layer the radishes and make it look nice and seem nice. So, yeah. I don't know how it's going to look in the end. I don't know that I'm very concerned about the look. I am concerned about the taste, but then I did season it very well, so I think we're okay there. I didn't season the radishes though. I expect that it would... I feel like I need to add another egg or push what I have down. But my bowl is full, so we should be fine. I think eventually this will settle. Yeah, I should probably just see if I can push and press. Where do I have that's not fully covered? I didn't slice enough radishes, but it's fine. Yeah, there's good. There's good. And this is just going to go in the oven for, I don't know, another 30 minutes, and we will see how it reacts. Adventures in cooking. Catering practical, according to some Nigerians. So, what had happened was, I put this thing, and after a while, it began to bake over, or boil over, and I got some egg down below. I was able to retrieve said egg, so I think I'm going to call this video Misadventures. Misadventures in meal planning, misadventures in cooking, or some other catchy phrase that I'm able to come up with. Apart from that, everything else looks good. So I had what would have been a mini incident here. Now let's see how far. Yeah, I think we still got a ways to go. You see that? As far as it's not dry, so some parts of it are good and some are not. And that's it. So we're finally done, and I sort of left it in here to dry. Yeah, this is quite a wet recipe because of all the vegetables that are in it. And then the eggs. But that's what it looks like. Mushrooms don't look so hot right now. I could have made radish chips instead of this. I like what I'm tasting, but yeah, doesn't look great, but it's going to be great because we got a lot of stuff in here. Yeah. So that's it, people. Adventures, or rather misadventures. Misadventures in meal prep. That's it. Talk to y'all later. Bye.